Hello students and aspirants, in this video I will teach you rule number 19. Student, to understand we should compare subjective case with subjective case and objective case with objective case. Now we are going to see the example based on that. She is faster than I. She is a subjective case. I is a subjective case. This only correct. Don't put here me. If you put me here, the sentence is wrong because you should compare subjective case with subjective case and objective case with objective case. We see the next example. I am taller than he. I, subjective case. He, subjective case. So this sentence is correct sentence. To understand what is subjective case and what is objective case, we using some pronouns in the place of subject. These all are called subjective case pronoun. In the place of object, we using some pronouns. The pronoun known as objective case pronoun. Subjective case pronouns are I, we, you, she, he, it. Objective case pronouns are me, us, you, her, him, it. I, me, we, us, you, she, her, he, him, it. See this example. My parents scold me more than he. My parents. Here my is subject, subjective case pronoun. He is subjective case pronoun. So the sentence is correct sentence. We compare my parents to he. Look at the second sentence. She is taller than I. She, subjective case pronoun. I, subjective case pronoun. Don't put here me because me is a objective case pronoun. When we compare two subjects, use subjective case pronoun. When we compare two objects, to use objective case pronoun. She is taller than I. She likes chocolates more than I. He is as tall as I. Subjective case. I also subjective case pronoun. He speaks more frequently than she. He is subjective case pronoun and she is subjective case pronoun. Student, to understand, you should compare subjective case pronoun with subjective case pronoun. And you should compare objective case pronoun with objective case pronoun. In the next video, I will teach you the next rule. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.